Nam Shivaya. My name is Sanjay Raju and I'm roll number 57. So what I've done is a simple implementation of a DES algorithm, and for that I've installed the PyCryptodome package, and I've also imported it using just calling it as crypto, and I've also imported token bytes. So what this token bytes does is it randomizes and creates a key of and we pass the value as 8 because we want 8 bytes, a key of 8 bytes long. Since for DS algorithm we only need 56 bytes, an extra additional of 8 bits doesn't actually contribute to any security, so it's okay. So our key is of 56 bits, and I've defined an encrypt and a decrypt function. Coming down over here, I've taken an input as a string message and I've passed it through the encrypt function, which returns 3 variables: nonce, ciphertext, and tag. And I've also called decrypt, where we'll pass those 3 variables and which will give back our plain text which is initially entered, and then we'll display it. Coming to the encrypt function, I've called des.new and I've passed the key and called a mode EAX. What this mode EAX does is it is a special type of chaining in cipher block, where it combines a confidentiality mode and also authentication mode, so it adds an extra security, and it returns a cipher block and which is stored in cipher. And then EAX also returns a nonce, which is a string which consists of bytes, and it is stored in nonce. And what this nonce does, it doesn't have a specific function. It's just for the authentication part, where it can be used only once by a specific key for encryption or decryption. And then we have ciphertext and tag, where we'll encrypt and using the built-in functions encrypt and digest. We'll pass the ASCII format of the input text and store the cipher encrypted format of the text in ciphertext, and then we'll return those 3 variables. And as I've said before, we'll pass it through the decryptor, and here we call the mode EAX as before, and it returns a cipher block where we'll verify the nonce text as we are giving the same nonce as before, so that it verifies if both the encrypted texts are same. And then we will use the built-in decryptor of the cipher block, and we pass the text. And if any changes were made along the way after we encrypted the specific encrypted format of the text, it will verify with the tag if it is the same as before. If it is not the same, we'll return false. If it is the same, we'll decode it into the ASCII format, since we've encoded it before, and then it will return the plain text. Coming down over here, we are displaying the ciphertext first, and then we'll check if the plain text is false. If the plain text is false, then we'll return, we'll print out into the console that the message is corrupted. Else we'll just print out the plain text, which is our initially entered value. Let me run the program for you. So it will take a while to start up because it is quite a big library, crypto. Okay, so the prompt has come for inputting a message. So I'll just say hello world. As we can see, the cipher encrypted text is here, and the after decrypting the text is over here. It is the same as before. So thank you.